before nawe uyenze cause nawe uke wayenza.
Yeah.
Okay, asiqale la before ke kuyenza.
So before I like ngiba too deep in this kingdom of witchcraft, bengibona ukuthi ubala ngithi queen, kunemuntu onibambile.
Okay.
Angithi abathakathi like abantu abathakathayo nanoma bathakatha noma bayenzana kunomuntu babambile like the queen or a king ebanikeza ama-instruction ukuthi kumele nenzeni. Awuyenzi izinto kuphela nje ukuthi hayi manje ngiyahamba ngiye uzibani nginomenza cha uzozwa ngoking or queen ukuthi mele mina ngifuna 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Maybe sometimes usathana uyanikeza ama-instruction ukuthi ngifuna nobani umbali nozibusiso nobani bengekho or noma ama-blessings wabo angekho family nani ingekho yabona.
Yebo.
So and then I got to realize uma ufuna ukuthatha izibusiso zomuntu wenza kanjani. Uyabona noma ufuna ukubulala umuntu wenza kanjani. So we got to see hore uma umuntu bengibulala before bembulala like la enyameni bambulala spiritual.
Hayibo.
Yeah, kunomncwabo bewenzayo like in that kingdom of witchcraft. Bag inside the box, maybe a shoe box. Then bag bawuqinya kamo, and then bakwala hantle
mabekufaka khosweni sokungekho yini abayifakayo la
bafaka wena like bakuyenza kahle nje bayenza uzibusiso like umuntu loyo ufana nozibusiso nje uyafana naye.
Hayibo.
Yeah.
Bakwenza bangedo kanjalo.
Yeah, bakwenze noma bathathe umpopi kodwa ebusweni ufana naye uzibusiswe, and then uzibusiswe bamfaka lapho bavale, and then it's a funeral. Like there's like it's a process like wabona umancwebeni bayenzana like they are doing that thing umuntu ubani uzokhuluma yenzeni ukhalwe yebo like izinto zenzakala lo in this witchcraft thing.
Yeah,
they do it real before they could be real like more in this world like naturally. Uyabona nanoma umuntu befuna umshadisa bayamshadisa ngale, and then uzibusise noma umbali yena uzophupha uthemba ukuthi hayi yazi ngiphuphe uthemba nani sishada nani uthemba azathi hey mina ngifuna ukushada, and then akushade kube kanjalo. Kanti hayi bayenzile ngale ukuthi uthemba ashade umbali. Nanoma uthemba akafuna ukuthi mina angifuni ukushada umbali, ngifuna ukushada maybe ubhalisa noma ularato uzoshada umbali ngoba kwenziwe ngale ukuthi ushado. And the most painful thing ukuthi like noma like these things they are like ne.
Yes,
your family members they are there because actually they are going to need your blood.
Like blood in
yeah, so bazo need your blood, so someone in your family must be there. It's either your mom, your dad, your sisters, your what, they needs to be there in order ukuthi lezinto sikhona ukuthi ziyenzakale kahle nje.
Kushuthi lo someone
Hello you guys, and welcome back to the channel. What a powerful testimony, of course, by Sister Blessings. She is a former witch who was initiated at a very young age by her father's side of the family, you guys. Now she has been going on to podcasts to, I guess, speak about the underworld of witchcraft and how God saved her. Now in that video she speaks about how witches are able to orchestrate your funeral. Basically, we do know that everything starts in the spirit before it can manifest in the physical. Now she speaks about how they are able to kill you. Basically, she says that they're able to start your body from scratch there in the spirit, using a doll or using whatever it is that they're using and then putting it in a coffin. That person who is in a coffin in the spirit looks exactly like you, and it will manifest in the physical. You will die prematurely, of course, and they will be able to use your spirit. You guys, she also speaks about how they are able to create excuse me, how they're able to create marriages. She says that if the kingdom of darkness or witches want you to marry somebody useless or somebody from that side, they're able to start or create a wedding there. You will get married in the spirit, you guys, and then it will manifest in the physical. She says, what do you guys think about Sister Blessing's powerful testimony? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video and do make sure that you do share it and watch the full interview on Quarter to Media podcast, of course, which is a Christian podcast. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.